Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stick Moribo. Welcome to Global Sound as part of Clayton Festival 2021. Monash City Council acknowledges the traditional owners of the land we're standing on, now known as Monash, and pays respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. All our artists are world class and come from all over the world: Africa, Sri Lanka, Torres Strait Island, and here in Melbourne, Australia. As this is an online event, we invite you to connect virtually in 2021 with your family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like you to enjoy Global Sounds as part of Clayton Festival 2021 online. Please enjoy.
Yonda Yalara, Nago Buri Kee'ahn. Hello, welcome. My name is Kee'ahn. I'm a proud Kukuyalanji, Yirramboi, and Torres Strait Islander from beautiful Bindal and Walgurukaba country called Townsville in North Queensland. I'm here today to sing some songs for you, but before I begin, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land. We're on Bunwurrung country today, where the Monash campus is situated on, and I'd like to pay my respects to the Bunwurrung people and their elders, both past and present, and acknowledge that sovereignty has never ceded, and this land always was and always will be Aboriginal land. This first song is called Smoke. I wrote it when I was 16 for my aka, my grandmother, who was a very strong black woman, and I like doing this song first, because I guess smoke is quite cleansing and healing for my culture, for my people. So I like to set the tone. This is Smoke. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until we're okay. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until we're okay. How? And I'm trying, but you're sighing, and I'm changing, but you're fading, and I'm giving. But you're taken, forever taken. My mistake then. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until we're okay. But you're taken, forever forever taken, forever taken, my mistake then. Hey, this mess I've made will fade away. Just you wait. Hey, this mess I've made will fade away. Just you wait. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades out. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until the smoke fades. Sit until it fades out. Love was kind to me, and it blinded me. Now I'm trying to see, yeah. Now I'm all alone. Love is long, long gone, and it's clear I was wrong. 'Cause when you say you love someone, you don't run. Love was cruel to me. It made a fool of me. Why'd you do this to me? Yeah. Thought I'd never be this stressed. Thought you'd never second guess. But you went and made a mess. 'Cause when you say you love someone, you don't run. 'Cause when you say you're in this from the start, you don't break my heart. So this next song, it's called Reckless, and I've got Carl and Ben joining me today. I wrote it about feeling really lost, or I guess when I was really lost in my life. I feel like that's very often that it happens. But I dropped out of uni and I was partying too much back home in Townsville. And I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. So I started busking and really connecting to performance and art. And it's weird because my parents named me Kee'ahn, which comes from the Wik people of Cape York, which is a mob and country that me and my dad have connections to. Kee'ahn means to dance and to play. So busking, singing, it all fell into place and I stopped feeling reckless. So I'm just gonna show you this song called Reckless. Hope you enjoy. So I tread the water, though the path's not shorter. Quickly, no path was Someone please help me stop this. Thanks. Last year, I released my first song into the world. It was during lockdown, and I was thinking, like, is this a good time to put out music? But I really wanted to do it, and I'm really proud that it's out there. And after I released it, I just got a lot of messages about people tending to their garden and, you know, putting love into the parts of themselves that needed it so that they can grow and bloom, and that's all I wanted from this song. I want to thank Monash for having us. It's been a pleasure singing to this big auditorium and singing to all you folks watching. And it's an honor to always be able to perform on Bunurong country. I've been Kee'ahn, this is Carl and Ben, and this is Better Things. Thank you. Mina big eso, which means very big thanks. Yeah, well, bye.
Now, Kee'ahn, I'd like to introduce you to our audience and also just ask you a couple of questions about Kee'ahn. As a First Nation woman, how has the journey been so far getting into the music business?
That's a great question. Firstly, hello. It's nice to be speaking with you, Sticks. I think for me, it's been a really great journey. I started kind of singing as a kid. Didn't do much growing up, but like on school holidays, I jammed with my parents because they'd both sing. And then I started busking and performing a lot and moved down here. And I think moving down here to Kulin Nations has been, where it's all kind of bloomed. I've been really grateful to meet so many amazing other artists, but specifically like First Nations artists here in Nam that I've been able to connect with and learn about, all the different First Nations cultures of this country, and just grow my music. So it's been a blessing.
So I heard you've just picked up a prestigious award in the NIMAs. Can you tell us about that?
I was honored with the Uncle Archie Roach Foundation Award for emerging artist at the National Indigenous Music Awards for 2020. It was during lockdown, so me and my housemates were all sitting around the computer screen watching the awards night, and then Uncle Archie came on to the screen and said my name, and we just screamed and ran around, and my parents FaceTimed me from Townsville, really excited. So it was such an honor and a blessing, and to have Uncle Archie, like, even though it was digitally, like, give that award to me, it was really
legend.
special. Yeah, exactly.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And 2020 has been a bumper year for you. What's the plans for 2021?
I think just keep growing and moving and making music. I've been really lucky to perform heaps since, we've been safe to do so. So I'm keen to travel when possible. I'm going to hopefully going to Western Australia for Laneway Festival, going to Adelaide, back home. It's just been announced that I also got accepted to play at South by Southwest online.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, thank you.
Excellent. So now your music is going international.
Yeah, it's wild.
Where can we find, and what platforms can we find your music?
Yeah, all online, Spotify, Bandcamp. Follow me on socials, and it's been really cool.
Thank you very much for joining us. We feel very, very honored.
Oh, pleasure. Thank you so much.
Cheers.